Alright, check this out. I've rebuilt this score reel, and I completely took it apart, cleaned every little part of it, and look at it, it's nice. I took the coil out, cleaned the coils and everything, so we'll see if this works. See, look. Nice and zippy. Look at that. Alright, so this is the 100-point reel, so let's see if it makes a difference, okay? I'm going to put it in and fire the game up and see at least if my work on the 100-point reel makes a difference. So, shall we go look? Let's see. Move the camera around. Okay. Turn the power on. Hit the button. I still think I need to work on the 1,000-point reel, but I'll know if I'm on track if the 100-point. So let's hit some points. Oh, look at that. That's nice, huh? Yay! 500 at a time. Look at that. All right, every time. Look. Yay! And that ball. Oh, look at that. Did you see that? When it got to the 9, it kicks the 10,000 over. So I see that reel's messed up. The 1,000-point reel now needs work. But that's nice. Okay, let's make it an odd number. Look at that, even right in the middle of the sequence. So this should go from 97, let's see. That's right, but the 9 didn't flip over to the 2. So now I need to work on that 1,000-point reel. But I think I'm making progress. That's pretty cool. It's pretty time-consuming taking these things apart when you really have to, completely clean them. But it looks like it definitely makes a difference. So next step is to do the 1,000-point reel and see how that works. Stay tuned for more. This is from pinballhelp.com. Thanks.